Hey there, I wanted to do a quick video to show you how to add your Instagram feed to Showit. It's really pretty simple. All you want to do is once you're on the page where you want to add your Instagram account, you can go down to the footer or wherever you want to place your Instagram feed. I'm going to place it here in the footer. You'll just come right down here to this blue square in the middle and click on Social Grid. Once that pops up, you can resize it to the size that you want so that it doesn't overflow on your screen. So I'm just going to resize that. All right, over here to your right, it's going to ask you to, it's asking me to choose an account because I'm already set up. But if you are not set up, it's going to walk you through the steps to connect to your Instagram account, and then you'll approve it. You'll sign into Instagram, approve access and all of that. And then once all that's done, it's going to ask you to choose an account right here. I'm going to go ahead and choose my account, and then your current Instagram feed will pop up here at the bottom. So you can have it like this in one row, or if you want to stack them, like some people like to stack it with a square image of a square of 4 images. So in order to do that, you can come over here, scroll down to where it says rows, and just click on 2 rows instead of 1. And then you can resize that until you get the amount of images you want. So if you wanted 4, you can just squeeze it in until you see the 4 images. You can make it a little bigger, and you can stick that in the corner of your footer. So however you want it, if you want 2 rows, I guess you could do 3 rows if you want it. You could do 1 row, just play around with it to see how you like it. I like the 1 row across the bottom, so that is how I would do mine. But you can do yours however you like, and that's it. Then you want to go ahead and just publish, and your Instagram feed will be on your page. So if you guys have any questions, just go ahead and leave them in the comment box and I will answer them if I can. That's it for this video. Hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in the next video.